No one ever wants to call 911, but sometimes you need help. If you're in a situation where you need police, fire, or ambulance assistance, 911 is the number to dial. So what information does the dispatcher need from you? Take a look at these tips from our Bureau of Communication so that they can get you the assistance you need right away.
Now, the most important information to give when you call in is going to be your address. Now, this can be a specific location or a cross street. Now, the reason that this is important is for if the call were to be interrupted and you were not able to call back, emergency personnel would most likely be able to find out where you were.
Callers must understand that once you tell us where the emergency is and what is happening, the call taker will frequently ask a number of additional questions depending on what is happening.
So we may ask for a suspect description, what else is going on there, a vehicle description, or if there's any other weapons. We may be asking you a lot of questions. You may think that you're on the phone a long time, but then just know that this doesn't delay the emergency personnel response. This is for your safety as well as the emergency personnel that's responding and other people in the area. What we may also ask you for is going to be your name and phone number. Now, the reason for this is that many people want to speak with the officer that has responded to deal with their incident. If you don't want to give us your name and phone number and you would like to remain anonymous, then you may choose to do that.
If you have a problem that's not an emergency, who should you call? The non-emergency number for the St. Louis County Police Department is 636-529-8210. That number is staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Something else that we get a lot of questions on is calling 911 from your cell phone. Now, obviously, those numbers are going to be the same. It's going to be 911 from your cell phone. And just remember that as you're driving, your call may actually get routed to another police jurisdiction, something different than a location that you're calling in for. Just make sure that you're patient and stay on the line, and we'll make sure to get you to that correct police agency that you're calling about. Another thing is that we have a lot of people calling in about accidents, which is important information for us to get. Just know that a lot of other people may be passing by and calling in as well, so it may take a minute for us to get your phone call. Just make sure that you don't hang up the phone. Your call is important to us. We want to get that information from you.
We hope this presentation has been helpful. Our goal is to provide prompt and efficient service to St. Louis callers and to keep all of our citizens safe.